All right, hello everybody. Quick tour in studio. Okay, renovations have been done and everything is ready to record. Okay, here's the door, outer door, and then a guitar, bass, keyboards, more guitars, storage department, storage section. Today I bought from Lidl. I bought these hooks. I don't know what's the point of those, but quite nice, soft, rounded edges. Very nice hooks. €2 for one hook. No, €2 for one pack, which included 2 hooks, so very cheap. 4 cables, also some shelves here, so I don't want to, I want to get rid of these boxes here. Next week I might do service this old Tandberry reel recorder, tape recorder, and next week new cymbals in the drum set, Sultan rock beat cymbals. Okay, let's look into control room. Allen Heat is here with new table and rack system. I found also this, might be familiar for you. Iron Maiden, Peace of Mind. From my childhood, I was 10 years old when I bought that one. Okay, tonight I calibrate the Kenelex and start making some rehearsal mixing with modules and new hardwares and everything. So maybe we see you in another video. Bye.